Mahatma Gandhi, the man whose contributions to India are just priceless and whose guidance will be remembered forever. Today is a day when we express our gratitude for all the things that he had done for us. It is time to remember the deeds of Gandhiji and all his contributions. Today, let us revisit a few of the remarkable incidents in our very own Bapuji's life. DCLC Academy presents a walk to Gandhi Museum.
Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi, the father of our nation, well known to us as Bapuji, influenced all of us by his inspiring ideas of achieving without the use of violence and by honest means. Through his philosophy of truth and non-violence, he paved the way for India's independence. The day, 2nd of October 1869, marks the birth of our great leader. In his early years, he studied law and worked in South Africa as a lawyer, where he often faced discrimination. Later, he came back to India in order to support and contribute to India's freedom struggle. After returning to India, he established a lot of revolutionary ideas for the welfare of the country. He initiated numerous peaceful movements like Salt Satyagraha, Civil Disobedience Movement, Non-Cooperation Movement, Dundee March, Quit India Movement, and a lot more, which added up to India's freedom struggle. Finally, after all the efforts, India achieved independence on 15th August 1947. Thereby Gandhiji became a prominent leader of India, also the father of our nation. Unfortunately, he was assassinated on 30th January 1948, and his memorial is kept at Rajghat in New Delhi. After his death, plenty of museums which are of national heritage were built to commemorate our great leader and showcase his life and principles. Some of the museums are Sabarmati Ashram and Museum at Gujarat, where Gandhiji lived his early life. National Gandhi Museum at Delhi, which was set up soon after the assassination. Mani Bhavan Gandhi Sangrahalaya at Maharashtra, which was the center for all his political activities. Gandhi Smriti at Delhi, where he spent his last days. Gandhi National Memorial Society at Maharashtra. Gandhi Smarak Sangrahalaya at Bihar. Gandhi Memorial Museum at West Bengal. And Gandhi Memorial Museum at Tamil Nadu. Although he is not with us anymore, he still lives within our memories. And as Indians, we must feel proud to have had such a great personality as our leader. Let us all be grateful to him and commemorate this day as a Thanksgiving Day to our beloved Gandhiji. Thank you.